Zahara's sister Bandezo opens up to Chisa Live about an event that a couple of artists were supposed to have in honor of Zahara. She basically says that they have been struggling to secure a venue and funds to organize the event. So the event, as it looks like it, or according to the way things look, won't be happening anytime soon because of the struggle to secure a venue and because of funds. She says that there has been so many challenges, and she also speaks about the fact that Zahara fought for her house while she was alive. And that's why she and her family wanted to keep the house because it carries so many memories for them of Zahara, or of them, the memories that they had with Zahara in that house. So I'm not so sure if the events they were supposed to have, the funds that were coming from the event were supposed to help them save the house. We know that they're fighting to keep Zahara's house. And Zahara's sister basically says that she believes that the house is part of Zahara's legacy, and that's the reason why they don't want to lose it. Now, there's some people saying what Zahara's sister is greedy and that she's doing all of these things for her own benefit, just wants the money and all of that. But my question is, guys, Zahara passed away, unfortunately, and it's such a sad thing that there's just so much commotion around izinto zika-Zahara, whereas, we loved her so much. When someone is loved so much, you'd expect that like there should at least be peace after they've left. Zahara did not have any children. So my question is, who then should inherit the legacy, or who then should benefit from the labor of her hard work? I don't know if Zahara's sister has good intentions, but all I'm saying, even if she did not have, or even if she does not have good intentions towards keeping the house, towards all of these rumors that are going around, I think it's still a better off thing for someone from the family to inherit Zahara's things, or to inherit from Zahara's hard work, than an outsider who basically, or someone from outside who never grew up at Zahara, I don't know, to come in and then benefit from that. I don't know. That's just me, guys. Tell me what you guys think. I truly don't think it's all a bad thing, even if Zahara's sister might not have good intentions, for her to fight for the legacy of Zahara to live on, and for her to reap the benefits of Zahara, her sister's hard work. Tell me what you think of this, guys. Please do make sure that you like the video before Puma. Subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you on the next one.